I'm Larry Marble. It's time for a big old heaping helping of ag information. You're listening to our program courtesy of the good folks at D&D Farm and Ranch on I-10 in Seguin. That's ddtexasoutfitters.com. Neighbor, let's take a look at corn, beans, and wheat from yesterday, courtesy of John Tuggle, 802 TUGGLE. Corn and wheat futures were again lower yesterday, while soybeans were higher. New crop December corn continues under heavy pressure as the market sees mostly normal Corn Belt weather for the next 1 to 2 weeks. The looming likelihood of a global recession and the ensuing potential for a slowdown in demand is also weighing on the markets. USDA reported yesterday afternoon that the crop conditions on U.S. corn, beans, and milo all dropped 3% from last week. Corn 67% good to excellent, beans 65, and milo 43, again good to excellent. On Friday, the USDA will release the latest projection on planted acres. The average trade estimate for corn acres, 89.8 million acres compared to USDA's last estimate of 89.5 million and last year's acres at 93.3 million. Milo harvest likely getting started just in time for the rain forecast for Corpus Christi and Upper Coast areas. Little cash milo trading as the cash basis levels are steady to maybe slightly firmer, particularly with this collapsing corn board. For help marketing your grains, 1-800-T, 1-800-2 TUGGLE, 361-852-5207, Tuggle & Company, Corpus. Neighbor, let's talk about PMI, pipe, steel, and fencing. San Antonio, High, Hondo, Kerrville, Robstown, Jourdanton, and Laredo. Contact the Hondo store at 830-426-2912. That's 830-426-2912. Remember, that's PMI, pipe, steel, and fencing, pipemovers.com. Neighbor, let's take a look at meat moves from Monday. The national pork carcass cutout value, 109.03. That was down by 317. The belly primal was down the most with a $14.62 drop to 150.67. The fresh bacon index, 207.93 through last week. That was up to 90 week to week. Federal slaughter, 466,000 head for a Monday. June lean hogs down 75 at 110.17. Neighbor, as we move toward the beef side of the equation, prices were stronger. Choice up 370 at 268.68. The select up 22 at 245.24. Estimated slaughter 125,000 head for Monday. Looks like cash trade was limited. A few at 137. USDA maintains 137 as the bulk price in the South for last week. Also, the bulk price in the North was 145 to 148. As we look at the futures themselves, July live cattle 136.25 up 90. August feeders 174.12 up 162. Neighbor, there's your meat moves. We're on the line from D&D with Wade Floyd. Wade, Purina's got some excellent fly control products, and one of them's a feed-through, isn't it?
Yes, sir. There is a loose mineral that we like to put out. It's going to be a 1275 mineral, and it does have that insect IGR in it.
All right, and y'all sell that in a 50-pound bag?
Yes, sir. We have it in a 50-pound bag, and then we also have it in a molasses tub that will come in 225 pounds, also a 125-pound tub.
Tell everybody how to get a hold of you, Wade, there at D&D in Seguin.
Yes, sir. They can stop by and see us, or they can just give me a shout at 830-379-7340.
We're on the line with Ken Jordan, Jordan Cattle Auction. Ken, how'd the Mason sale turn out?
You bet, Larry. We ended up right at 1,325 head of cattle today. I thought overall the market opened up this week with a very strong tone. Demand on all classes of cattle I thought was very good. I thought the stocker steers probably sold $2 to $5 higher today compared to last week. Had a group of steers, three of them that weighed 563 at $1.88, a little over $1,059 on those. Stocker heifers also sold probably $3 to $8 higher. Feeder steers sold probably steady to $2 higher. Had a group of steers, I think it was 12 steers, weighed 808 at $1.50, $1,212 on those. Feeder heifers were very active also, $4 to $5 higher. Pack of cows and bulls I thought overall sold steady today. Top bull today was, I believe at $1.12. One bull that weighed 2,115 pounds, ended up dolling out like $2,400, right close to it, Larry. So overall, very strong sale. Pairs of bred cows sold steady too. I thought a very active market today.
How about Thursday in San Saba?
Well, looks like we're going to have a very, very good run. We're going to start 10 o'clock early again. We do have several groups of females like we advertised last week. We got one group of 300 kind of crossbred cows, some tiger stripes. There'll be some beef master crosses. They're the same as we had last week. They brought 300 in then, and this will be the balance of them now. We also have 70 Angus cows that are going to be there. They have in Herefordshire calves at the side, and then what's not not got calves, they'll be long bred back to Hereford bulls. Got a set of 14 Angus heifers that'll be there. They'll be middle to long bred. Got a set of Akaushi cows that'll be 3/4 Akaushi, 1/4 Angus. They'll be there also with some calves aside. Others, we may pull some calves off, sell them. Also got 23 Angus cows with fall calves. The calves fall out of registered Angus bulls. So we'll shake those all up. And then we got several groups of calves that we know coming too that'll be there too, Larry. So it looks like a good run this coming Thursday at Cincinnati, also starting at 10 o'clock.
Jordan Cattle Auction is the website. Ken, give us the telephone number.
You bet. It's area code 325-372-5159. Also, Larry, we will not be having a sale next Monday at Mason on July the 4th. We'll have a sale Thursday this week, and then we'll start back up again next Thursday the following week. Just because of the way it fell, we'll go ahead and continue to have sales at Cincinnati throughout the holiday, too.
All right, good deal. We'll update Wednesday night for Thursday. Thank you, Ken.
Yeah, thank you, Larry.
Remember, neighbors, MG Building Materials has 5 locations. MG in San Antonio's at 2651 Southwest Military Drive. MG in Corpus, they're on Padre Island Drive, 7436 Padre Island Drive. MG Building Materials Uvalde, 2301 East Main. The store in beautiful downtown Kerrville on Memorial Drive, 2202 is the street number. And MG Building Materials in Pleasanton, 1734 West Oak Lawn. Now, I know you can't remember them all, so go to mgbuildingmaterials.com for details. We're on the line with Sean Geiswhite, Gillespie Livestock. It's Monday evening, I'd say about 7:20, and Sean's going to talk to us about sheep and goat sale for Tuesday, right, Sean?
Yes, sir.
What's it looking like?
Looks like we'll get a good run again, Larry. I don't know if we'll quite have as many as we did last week, but I guess it kind of depends on how many more we catch this evening and tomorrow. We've been busy. Still thinking north of that 5,000. We might not get that, but we might get a few more. You know, it's hard to tell. But we've got a good bunch there. A lot of lambs, a lot of kids. Got a lot of nannies, a lot of holiday stuff. So
right,
shaping up to be a good Tuesday in Fredericksburg tomorrow. On the cattle end, sure thinking we'll get north of that 1,500. See how it plays out tomorrow. We've got those cows we talked about. They are there. We went through them today. There's a herd sellout, so they are from 3 to about 10. What I mouthed them. There is one or two older cows on them, but calves weighing kind of 200 to 300. Cows are in good shape. They need to go back country if somebody's got some grass. So probably 7 or 8 kind of Charolais cross cows on them. 7 or 8 red baldies on them. The balance be black. So they've got Charolais calves on them, good bags, and they're nice cows. So anybody needs any, sure come see us. You can get you a handful of pairs. They need to go back in Fredericksburg on Wednesday.
Tell everybody how to contact you, Sean Geiswhite.
You can reach us at 830-997-4394. One other thing, Larry, this will be our last week. Have sales till after the 4th of July. We'll not have any sales on the 5th and 6th. So.
All right. We will talk with you one more time. We'll discuss how the sheep and goat sale went and preview cattle again. Sean, enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you later.
All righty, thank you, Larry.
Bye-bye. Farmers and homeowners, are you struggling with rodents such as pocket gophers and voles? Kaput Products is the solution. Kaput rodent baits are manufactured in America by Symmetrics Limited Corp., a family-owned company. Kaput offers a range of rodent control products to rid your farm and home of rats, mice, voles, gophers, moles, and more. Kaput Combo Baits are the only products of their kind in the U.S. that eliminate not only the rodent but also its fleas that potentially carry disease. Kaput's latest EPA-approved bait, called Kaput Rodent and Tick Bait, kills the rodents and their black-legged ticks that may transmit Lyme disease. According to the CDC, Lyme disease infects approximately 600,000 Americans each year. Whatever your rodent problems, check out www.kaputproducts.com for more details or call 866-442-3467 and make your rodents and their fleas and ticks go kaput. K-A-P-U-T, kaput. We're on the line with Jim Wheeler, Atascosa Livestock, Pleasanton, Texas. Going to have a sale. How's it going to look Tuesday?
We've got about 450 in so far this evening. Another 30, 35 pairs, 75 palpates, probably around 225, 50 cows so far. Quality of calves is pretty good, but they are kind of green. They are small.
Right.
Should end up with 550, 600 by sale time.
Okay.
And you can reach us at 830-569-2516.
Won't have a sale next Tuesday?
No, sir. We will be closed on the 5th.
All right, Jim. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is Channel 5 reporting live from the rangeland, where earlier today, a death was reported. I'm standing here talking to
Mesquite.
Mr. Mesquite. What happened here today?
Well, Weesatch and I had been living on this rangeland. Every year the rancher would spray us with herbicide and we'd take a nice, long nap. But we always woke up.
What changed, Mesquite?
It's that Invora herbicide. The rancher used it with Rangeview to target his application. And now I don't think Weesatch is coming back.
I wouldn't think so. It's guaranteed
Control for 5 years.
You heard it from Mesquite himself. Invora and Rangeview stop brush for the long haul. It's guaranteed.
Enter to win up to 100 acres of Invora herbicide with a free Rangeview analysis today at invora.com/trial. Always read and follow label instructions. Invora herbicide is a restricted use pesticide. Invora is a registered trademark of Bayer Crop Science. Not all products are registered in all states.
We're on the line with Seth Crane, Union Commission Hondo Livestock. Seth, how was the Monday sale?
Big run of cattle this week, 930 head. Probably ended up with somewhere around 275, 300 cows. Packer market, a little bit cheaper than last week, but still a really good market. 38 to 61 on the lower yielding cows, up to 95 cents on our higher yielding cows. Lots of those cows bringing from 85 up into the 90s. Bulls 71 to $1.10. Still selling some pairs, 7 1/4 up to $13.60, and our bred cows from $6.75 to $10.50. Calf and yearling market on the front end is about as high as they've been here in a while. Thought the market was exceptional on those today. Just a lot of demand. Plainer cattle hard to move, but the good ones sold well. 2 to 3 weight steers $1.32 to $1.82. 2 to 3 weight heifers $1.30 to $1.64. 3 to 4 weight steers $1.58 to $1.86. 3 to 4 weight heifers $1.32 to $1.64. 4 to 5 weight steers $1.52 to $1.82. 4 to 5 weight heifers $1.38 to $1.62. 5 to 6 weight steers $1.42 to $1.72. 5 to 6 weight heifers $1.32 to $1.63. 6 to 7 weight steers and bull calves $1.32 to $1.60. 6 to 7 weight heifers $1.22 to $1.46. 7 to 8 weight steers and bull yearlings $1.12 to $1.34. 7 to 8 weight heifers $1.10 to $1.28. I'd like to remind everybody there will not be a sale next week, 4th of July. Hope everybody has a good break, and we'll see you the following week. Hope everybody gets some rain. In the meantime, reach us at 830-741-8061. Get me on my cell phone, 210-288-3960. And for updates and information, visit us on Facebook or HondoLivestock.com.
We're on the line with Sam from D&D. Sam, I've never seen as much Stay Tough fence in my whole life.
That's right, Larry. Right now, we have the largest supply of American T-post and the largest supply of Stay Tough fencing in Texas.
Tell us how to take advantage of all that product.
All you got to do, Larry, is call me at 830-379-7340, and that's for one of our friendly staff members.
We're on the line with Riley Rhodes from Live Oak Livestock, Three Rivers. Riley, how was the Monday sale?
Pretty much steady with what it was last week across the board, Larry. Cow, they took a little bit of money off Packer cows, but they still sold well. Ended up with 1,634 head today. Did have some pairs, sold anywhere from $8.25 up to $13.75. The bred cows from $700 to $11.25. Packer cows, your high yielding cows, 84 to 92. The breakers 78 to 84, and the canners 38 to 62. High yielding Packer bulls $1 to $1.06. Low to medium yielding 84 up to $1. 2 to 3 weight choice steers 170 to 192. The heifer mates 142 to 168. 3 to 4 weight choice steers 174 to 194. Heifer mates 148 to 164. 4 to 5 weight choice steers 170 to 190. The heifer mates 140 to 156. 5 to 6 weight choice steers 152 to 174. Heifer mates 138 to 154. 6 to 7 weight choice steers 142 to 160. Heifer mates 126 to 140. And the 7 to 8 weight cattle, your choice steers 124 to 144. Heifer mates 116 to 134. So pleased with it. Turned out real well. We're kind of showering around down this way today, so we're sure hoping we're going to get some rain during this holiday and get everybody good and wet. That'd be a good present for the 4th of July.
Sure will, and no sale Monday.
No sale this coming Monday for the 4th, and we'll be back open on July the 11th.
Tell everybody how to contact you, Riley Rhodes.
361-786-2553 is the office. 361-813-6650 is the cell. LiveOakLivestock.com is the web.
We appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you, Larry.
Never let's take a shorter look at the grains, courtesy of John Tuggle. Milo through Corpus in June, D's plus a dime, $11.84. Yellow corn to Corpus in June, September plus 30, $6.91 1/4. Hard red winter wheat to Corpus in June, July plus 110, $10.82 3/4. And number one beans to Houston, August, September delivery, November less 15, $14.17 3/4. No bales of Texas Texas cotton moved yesterday, 105.15 to 107.40. That's it for Down on the Farm. Thanks for listening. Check us out on the web, downonthefarmradio.com.